Hello there friends, today I'm checking out these MADETEC heated gloves. Nice little gift box these come in. Little card on top. The meaning of the cold perhaps is to let you find something warmer. Oh, that's kind of nice. Okay, so here we have the gloves looks like. Then we have a charger. Looks like can do two at the same time, double plug there, that's nice. Have a little bag here. We got looks like our batteries here and a little instructions. All right, let's take these batteries out. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, nice little bow on these gloves. These are wind resistant. That's kind of cool. They have the touch sensors on there so you can use them on your phones. Nice long sleeve on these. Let's try these out real quick before I put the batteries in there. Nice and comfortable. I like how long the sleeve is. So if you're nice and cold, or if you're cold, you can put your other sleeve on top of that. It's got straps here so you can cinch that down, and also on this side as well, both of these, so you can get that nice and tight. Lots of features here. Let's test it out on my phone here. Okay, so as we can see, I can move it up and down on there. Swiping and swiping down. It's pretty cool. Nice to be able to use your phone while you're using the gloves. All right, let's put the battery in there and see what kind of heat these things put out here, shall we? It's been getting a little chilly lately, so we're gonna go outside, test these in the cold. Okay, so here we are. So the not very heavy, actually just feel like a normal glove there. The battery's quite lightweight. You hold the button down for 3 seconds, on comes your thing, and it shows you kind of where your battery life is, 25, 50, and 75, and 100%. If we press this, the power one is red, that's going to be your full, and then it has 3 different heating stages here. Wow, it's heating up already. That's pretty impressive. So these look like we got double stitching on the palm. These seem really actually like nice gloves, very malleable there. My hands are already nice and warm. I'm gonna wait till it gets a little chillier outside, and we're gonna go test these out and see how they work. Hello, my friends. All right, so whew, as you can see from my breath, it's pretty chilly out here. I'm gonna test these gloves out. It is a cold one. Okay, so engage, turn that one on. I'm just gonna turn this one on high, and this one, turn this one a little bit lower. All right, let's go with, we're gonna go on the low setting here, the blue. And yeah, it's a little chilly out here. Night sky, the stars are out, it's a full moon. It's actually really, really pretty out here. So no mosquitoes right now, which is good, but it is cold. So just testing these out to see how warm they are. You know, it's usually your extremities that get cold. So if you got your, I got my sandals on right now, and they're obviously going to be a little chilly, but just these nice gloves here. It's important to keep your hands nice and warm. That way you can able to move and stuff like that, especially outside if you're out in the cold a long time. And then you can actually, hands can get damaged. So this one's warming up quickly. It feels really good. My hands aren't cold at all. So I'm pretty impressed with these. I like I said, I like how long the sleeve is, so I can just put this over or under either way. And then I can tighten these down if I want to as well. So I like all these, this little strap here. You can just pull those over. Everything is really thought out here. Easy to loosen up too if I need to. Just pull that and loosen up. But it's feeling nice and warm. Actually really toasty. I'm pretty impressed with these. Yeah, so even if the rest of me gets cold, I'm feeling pretty good. So thanks for watching. You have a great day, and we'll see you next time.